What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and as you can tell from the title of the video, I have never done street photography before. I've always wanted to go out and try street photography, but I've never actually personally given myself the time and gone to a location just to walk around and take photography of the architecture, scenery, people, just everything that it has to offer. And me and my buddy, Ray, he has never done it either. So him and I decided, you know what, let's just choose a day, go out and try it. So I hope you guys really enjoy this video. We are gonna grab the GoPro Hero 8. That will be, the POV angle on my chest. But please don't destroy me in the comments, below, because my photos will probably come out shit, which I know. It's my first time doing this, and I am a little nervous just because I've never done this before, and I've seen videos of people getting angry of people trying to take photos of them. So I'm gonna try and be it as very, inconspicuous and low-key when I'm doing these photos. But yeah, guys, if you could leave a like, comment, and maybe even subscribe to the channel before we grab all this gear and head out to the location. And where we're gonna be going is Jersey City. And going up and down a couple of the streets around there and just testing it out. And I'm hoping what I can learn from this is, one, just to become more comfortable with shooting out in the wild, as you would say, the concrete jungle of Jersey or New York, wherever I may go. Yeah, I'm really excited but nervous at the same time. So let's grab our gear, head out, meet Ray, and I hope you guys really enjoy this video. back, guys. We are back in the home office, and all I can say is what a blast that was. Absolutely. I don't know why I was so nervous. In the first 10 minutes, yeah, I was, a little nervous taking photos. But I'm not gonna lie, I had a blast. It was really cool just getting out, really letting your creative juices flowing, And one thing that I learned is just shoot, just click that button away, The first couple shots, are gonna be probably bad, honestly. But the longer we went and the, further adventuring we did, I felt like I was getting more into a rhythm and found myself thinking of different angles and all that when I would see someone. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I'm definitely gonna be doing more street photography from now on. You'll probably see Ray a little bit more in the videos as well. So if you guys could leave a like, comment, let me know down below what you guys thought of this video. It really helps out the channel and me grow. Alright guys, I'm gonna close out the video. Really just want to say thank you so much for coming back to the channel, checking out this video, and coming along on this street photography journey that I just had. If you guys could leave a like, maybe even a comment of what you guys thought of the video or any experience yourself that you had through street photography. I'd really love to hear those stories and the feedback. And if you guys aren't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. It's just one little click, but otherwise, peace out.